Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Audible. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up Audible and you can see the current font size this is set to. So in order to make this a little bit larger and easier to see, what we need to do is head back and we need to click into our settings up on our device. From here, scroll down and look for display. Tap onto display. And again, scroll down and you'll see font size and style. Go ahead and tap into that. And now once you're inside font size and style, there's going to be a slider at the bottom of the page here under font size. So if you move this slider left to right, you'll notice it will go larger once it's more towards the right, and it'll be smaller font size to the left. So keep it near the right hand side of that slider and you can see your font size increased. Now if we go back to Audible, you'll see your font size has been increased as well. So yeah, just have a play around with that slider and increase it to how large or how small you want your text inside Audible to be.